Look, it floats, kids. Here comes Jack Jack. Whoa, what a throw.
Welcome to JackJackPlays. Do you want to dig on the beach with me?
Dudes, we're at an awesome beach and we've got awesome trucks. Let's get started.
Let's dig a trench.
What kind of trucks do we need for the job?
A backhoe.
And?
An excavator.
And?
A front loader.
Sweet.
I'm clearing away all this debris.
All the debris. All right. Yeah, we want to smooth the debris out of the way so we can dig our trench. Look at that backhoe go, kids. Look at that go. Jack, can you tell the kids a little bit about backhoes? What kind of things do we know about backhoes?
They have 2 shovels.
2 shovels. Can you point to them?
1, 2.
Oh, and do they do different jobs?
Mm-hmm.
What kind of jobs do they do?
They dig and they scoop up.
Hey Jack, do you love digging at the beach? Are you so into your stuff you can't possibly answer Daddy's questions? Oh, show the kids your new shirt. Look at that, that's pretty cool. What's on your shirt, Jack? Kids, can you see that?
Excavator.
There's an excavator on Jack's sweet orange shirt. Wow, kids, look at that thing dig into the soft sand. It's a new beach for us. We've never been here before, and the sand is great. Here comes Molly, May. Molly, do you dig on the beach? Here comes an excavator, kids. Are you ready for this? Wow, kids, look at that thing get to work. Hey, Jack, what is an excavator for?
Digging ditches.
It digs ditches and holes and trenches.
And foundation. I wonder if water's going to come.
Are you going to dig all the way down to the water?
That's a lot deeper than I think it is.
Great truck noises, Jack. Here comes the front loader. He's taking a look at your pile. He's thinking about how do we operate the shovel. It's always a tricky one. There we go. Uh-oh. Ah! He crashed in your hole and his engine compartment opened. Get him out of there. Here comes Jack Jack. Whoa, what a throw. Scooping up the rocks. How's the water, Jack? Is it cold? Oh, my toes are in it. It's a little cold. Look how nice and clean the backhoe is now. super clean.
Let's wash it more.
Whoa, look, it floats, kids. Amphibious backhoe? Nope, now it crashed. Wow, it looks like Jack caught a fish, but he caught a backhoe. What you bringing, Jack?
Shells for Mama to look at. Let's see what we have here. Oh, look how like purple they are.
Nice shells, Mama.
Thanks, Daddy.
Here comes Molly. She was getting a wash in the water. Well, it looks like this excavator needs a wash. I think Mama's gonna help us out here.
That's some cold wash water.
Head on in, give it a good soak. All right, here comes the backhoe down the beach. Uh-oh, bucket got stuck. Uh-oh, Mama, you better lift up. Yeah. Here it comes. There he goes. He's like a submarine. And he tipped over. Oh, he did a rollover like a dog. Good boy. Good boy, backhoe. Look at that. It's floating, kids. Is he hovering? I thought they drive. All right, last one, the front loader.
This one's really dirty.
Here it comes. Oh, there it goes down into the water. Look at that, kids. I think its head is still dirty, right above the cab. Look at that, kids. It's all the way underwater. Can you see that? Let me back out a little bit so you can see the whole thing. Wow. But it really wants to float, doesn't it, Mama?
Yeah, it really does.
Here it comes. It's gonna emerge. It's emerging from the water. Wow, the front loader is clean. That's epic. Goes. It's articulated. Mommy, do you know what articulated means?
No, I do not know what articulated.
Oh, can you bend that thing left and right?
Yeah, I can.
Oh, that's what an articulated loader does.
Huh. Cool.
Molly's nice and clean too. Let's see her emerge from the water. Go, Molly, go. Go, Molly, go. Ah! All right, check it out, kids. It's 3 clean vehicles. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 clean vehicles.
Bye, kids. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.
And JackScribe too. Bye.
Molly scribe.
Molly May.
Houses on water.
Because they like to be there.